Yo, my viewer subscriber, it's your boy Stola from here, the Vice. You know how it is. X amount of shout out goes out. Right now, the Gully got drop another anthem for we get a youth. This one called No Failure. And you know, so when Movada squeeze trigger, I must squeeze trigger, because Movada always a deal with upliftment for the youth them. But before we go into the review, we're going to drop the intro. So just walk with me.
Heavy girl a mad, say they want the god. Tell them say this full of I'll never take up. Life ain't a joke thing. Beat your chest, say me have to make it. Get to youths don't be no failure. Have to make it. Babylon one we be jailer.
Yo, me viewer subscriber, the first thing I want to med span and the little youth pan the picture, seen? And then after that, you see a big man stand up in front of him there, so. So, uno see straight away there, so where Movada teach, you know. Movada make you know, say you as a little youth, I grow into a man, and enough time things are going to happen to you. But Movada make you know, say, don't care what happened to you, as a little youth, no failure. You can't have no failure, because like them say, many time rise and many time fall. You get me? But you have to know, say, yo, you have to have a focus. You have to have a destiny. You have to have a goal. You see me? And always a them thing the Movada preach to the youth them. And that's why me always pray Movada. You see me? Because Movada always make you know something right. See? But Movada tell you another thing again. Movada say, yo, as much as you're in the Gideon and you're in the jungle, beat your chest. Because you're in the jungle. You have to rise like a King Kong virgin. You have to know, say, yo, you want this. You see me? No failure. I mean, I tell her, say, yo, that one you're tough.
Take your one chance, turn yourself in a man. You feel strange, nothing but change is no wrong. No for we friends, them no make it out. Turn a new page, there's more to life.
Viewers, every bar Movada teach you something. Movada say, yo, take your one chance and turn yourself in a man. Saying, turn a new page, nothing do wrong. And that's I feel real. Saying, Movada make you know, say, yo, you could have done at the ghetto. You could have not sell tambourine. You could have not sell suck. You could have not sell sky juice. And nothing, if you nothing now go on for you. Saying, turn a new page. Maybe take up something else. Maybe do something else. Because maybe sell sky juice or sell suck and them thing they are not for you. Saying, so you have to just turn a new page, you see? And at them thing that me I tell you with Movada. Movada always a give you bars. Movada always a tell you certain things where you know, say, yo, a upliftment. And that's why that tune ya, me love the time.
I know, me woulda come and sing song. Guess I never know, me woulda be a icon. Man born as a champion, them can't stop me from fly away like the falcon.
Oh, my viewer subscriber, me want to really med span with Movada say. Movada make you know, say, yo, him never know say him woulda come sing song. Movada say him never know say him woulda come turn a icon. But Movada say, yo, him follow him dreams, him follow him goal, and him turn that in a reality. And right now look on him a the man that him have spread all him wings. Him a fly like the falcon. Viewer subscriber, you don't ever pray the falcon bird. Viewer subscriber, you don't know how the falcon bird set them things, and at them thing them Movada tell you upliftment.
Yeah. If I come down a yard, man can't trust nobody. Yeah. Too much sell out, too much hungry belly.
Viewer subscriber, Movada make you know, say, yo, we fuck up down a yard. So don't go down a yard and go on like, say, you want drop asleep. Don't go down a yard and go on like you want lay yourself careless. Don't go down a yard and go on like, say, why you are the man. Because right now a man will turn you in a dopey. And at them thing them Movada tell you, say, yo, you can't left yourself careless. You have to know what go on around you. You have to see what go on around you. You have to pray everything we are going around you. And if you not take check, well, somebody will check you.
Them who call on a phone, make a man bust your jelly. Better be wise. A 4 eye.
Yes, my viewer subscriber, Movada make you know how hard it is in the ghetto. Movada make you know how hard it is in the Gideon. Movada make you know, say, yo, you and a man can stand up, yes, and a talk or a flask. But as soon as you turn your back, you can turn in a dopey.
Listen me story. A wise man taught me don't trust nobody. Just remember the devil was an angel. He's like art, not the inner everybody. Mankind a get dark like the cave them.
Yes, my viewers, Movada said, yo, a wise man tell him, said, don't trust no one. And I know exactly where Movada come from, because my grandfather used to tell me the same thing. He used to say, yo, I know everybody have the same love like where you have. I know everybody have the same kind of heart like where you have. And right now, certain people heart dark like a cave. And that Movada make you know. Movada said, yo, the devil was an angel. So right there, some Movada tell us, say, yo, enough people can come like a wolf in sheep clothing. So sometimes you have to pray and watch what go on around you. Because sometimes people will laugh with you. And are the same people will try to kill you.
Marcus member none of we granny. Them a say Jamaica get him and slave them. Warfare, famine, tragedy. Lock your guns, take your dollar, and save them.
Yo, viewers, may I tell us a Movada easy. Movada say, yo, remember Marcus, remember grandmother Nanny, but on top of that, Movada say, yo, Jamaica get the worst slave them. See? So me I tell you, say, yo, Movada, that piece of bar there where you drop heavy, got me in a stitches. Me I tell you about right now, it's your boy Stola. We say X amount of shout out goes out. Don't forget to like, share, leave a comment, or press the bell icon for you. Every time we upload, you're the first to get it. So bless up and have a good one. Peace. We out.